Have you seen a dry leaf? Have you seen a dry leaf? I was walking down a street in an intense stroke of heat. I was walking down a street in an intense stroke of heat. It is Imphal actually, where I was walking. I met a dry leaf. I met a dry leaf. It had wrinkles and scales about to wither. It had wrinkles and scales about to wither. It told many things. How it had suffered longings, griefs, sorrows. How it had suffered the longings, griefs, and sorrows. It had cherished many long-lasting happy memories too. It has cherished many long-lasting happy memories too. It taught me a lesson. It taught me a lesson. Don't be sad, don't be alone. Because I was feeling lonely at that point of time. I was not getting any vehicle to return back to my home school actually. So it taught me a lesson. Don't be sad, don't be alone. Break your shackles of the demon lying within. Not just the demon रहते हैं तो what's the demon lying within? One day all have to go. Name doesn't stay. Name doesn't stay, stays your work. Your fame lies within. That work itself. A gush of wind swept it away. एक हवा का तेज झोंका आया, पत्ते को उड़ा ले गया. A gush of wind swept it away. All of that happened in a moment of sway. It taught me a lesson. Don't take yourselves for granted. So kindly believe yourselves. See the tiger or see the fire within. Thank you so much.